What's up guys? Another build, another day. For today's video, magre-remove tayo ng Fortuner KD. Medyo nahinaan daw si boss dahil nagpalit ng gulong. So, dadagdagan natin ng another 40 horsepower. Read muna natin. Then tune natin mamaya. Reading tayo, reading, writing. Then load. Then testing. Fortuner